Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, I am up we start with tonight's show. All right, so I watched Liam Rosenior. I watched him press conference. I heard of the match we will play with them on Wednesday, the semi-final of the Carabao Cup. So Babako dey talk many things about Arsenal. Now, he come talk say in with him team, they don watch many Arsenal games, Arsenal tapes. They don download our videos, observe am, watch am with the players, the Arsenal tactics, the Arsenal style of play. Omo, if you see the way this man dey dissect, you dey sweet me. The way they dissect everything, say Arsenal are very good. They are a top side. Get they play very well without the ball, with the ball. Like omo, this thing really sweets me. The way the man dey talk, say they're already studious. Now, do you remember the last person we talk about studying Arsenal? What did that person later do? That person Slot, Liverpool coach, and Van Dijk. Van Dijk talk and say they don't study Arsenal. After dem study us finish, they now decided say okay, the best approach na to play defensive. Don't press them because if you press them, they will overrun you. Don't press them, just stay your own side. In fact, don't come to win. But this one na cup, so there must be a winner. This one no be league match wey be say you go just come settle for a draw unless maybe Chelsea wan come settle for penalty. But penalty no go dey because na home and away. So if we get draw here, they go come to the Emirates Stadium. But based on the way the man dey talk, you go know say this man na attacking coach because the way wey dey talk, he say we are going to prepare and attack them. Na wetin him talk. Now, away from this particular thing, because the video long, I enjoyed watching him speak. They go dey tell am say, what about the threats of the Arsenal set piece? How are you going to like overcome it? Say because people dey call Arsenal set piece FC. Because say Arsenal no be set piece FC team o, because he say Arsenal are good at everything. You manage your 1% to be as good a team to win as many different ways as possible. I don't know who is calling them set piece FC. I'm definitely not. The way the guy dey praise Arsenal, and the thing just dey give me joy. E come dey like the thing come dey really dey sweet me, you get. So another thing wey come talk, wey come to give im own Chelsea people like confidence. He say him also watch the match wey we play against them. You get the last time wey dem give Chelsea red card, wey dem come play 10 men. He say him watch that game, say he love the intensity, how Chelsea came out, played Arsenal, even with 10 men Chelsea dominated according to him. Say really gbadu am and they want to repeat it again. That intensity was mad. But thank God there will be no Casado, there will be no Cucurella, so make we see wetin himself go plan to do. Whether him go carry James come put for midfield like wetin Maresca dey do, we go find out. That one na on Wednesday. Now we go find out. But we never watch that press conference, try watch am. It's sweet say. All right, away from that, so Robert Pires come dey talk say e get one Arsenal star wey dey in the same bracket as Thierry Henry, Patrick Vieira, and some of the like the good old stars, good old days, those stars of the old. You get. Now, when you read the entirety of the report, you find out they're talking about Declan Rice. So you say if you want to leave the trophy at the end of the season, you need a player like Declan Rice. Robert Pires, who is one of Arsene Wenger's best and most shrewd Arsenal signings, was telling Sky Sports, you need a Patrick Vieira, a Thierry Henry, a Tony Adams, and a Declan Rice. And because Declan Rice did for the same circle as these people will say, you know, mentioned. Get so Rice they enjoy all the whole attributes where people they throw for inside, get really deserve am. Now you remember in the morning I told you they go do the draw. I think the third round of the FA Cup draw. So they don't finish the draw. So we don't find out say now Wigan Athletic. Now we go face get. So Arsenal will face Wigan at home. I mean in the fourth round of the FA Cup. You get so now then we go face. Well, that one sef the make we just dispatch it. Now 32 teams remain. So once we dispatch Wigan now 16 teams go remain. So we don enter round of 16 now. You get. From there, you go the quarter final, you go the semi final. Before you know, we could enter the final. Depend on how we dey waka, but we good, we strong. So I don't really care who enter our front. I believe say this time around we are well equipped to go the entire length and breadth of multiple competitions. So we go see how everything sef go unfold at the end of the day. Now, have you taken your time to go and look at our calendar? Our next 6 games. Shey you don look am? Starting from Chelsea. So we'll play Chelsea at the Stamford Bridge away. We'll go play Nottingham Forest away. That's in the league. Then we'll come travel, go Champions League, go face Inter Milan at the San Siro. We'll come back, come host Manchester United at the Emirates again. Then we'll come play Kairat Almaty. We'll play them at home. We'll come travel to the Elland Road against Leeds United. Now, Chelsea now go begin 3 games away in a row, back to back to back to back. Away, away, away. So we go see how that one sef go be, because you know the dey very very easy. But na 3 different competition e dey. You are looking at the Carabao Cup, you are looking at the league, you are looking at the Champions League. So all hands will be on deck. We go see, like, if I ask you now, how many games this will fit win this one? Chelsea game is a winner. Yes, the possibility is there. Nottingham Forest is a winner. The possibility is there. Inter Milan can be a bit tricky because Inter dey hot like this, so but it's still a winner. Like, it's still a winner. Then Manchester United, Kairat. I think the only tough game there na Inter Milan. On paper, na when match start, go know how e go be. The only tough game on paper, why they say like this, na Inter. Every other game is winnable. Inter sef dey winnable, but Inter sef, they be alagbara. E no easy to play them. So away from that also, when you look at the reports from Chris Whitley, Whitley only examine the different like unusual methods wey Arteta don implement for Arsenal, you get, to like ginger im boys. So Baba come dey talk say, you go look when we wan go Anfield, because that time they dey always beat us for Anfield. Arteta come carry speakers, come download the Anfield, the Liverpool anthem, come dey play am, you get, for training session, loud am. The thing dey blast for our players ear. We just dey create that environment, artificial environment, so that by the time when they enter that Anfield, even when that song go dey blast, when the whole thousands crowd dey sing am, they no go dey phase, like they go dey in focus, you get. So Arteta try am. Then he placed a light bulb in the dressing room as a metaphor for unity. He also introduced a miniature olive tree in the meeting, which is a symbol of Arsenal's heritage, roots, and long-term growth. At the team dinner, he secretly hired professional pickpockets to steal players' phones and wallets, then revealed it at the end to underline the importance of constant awareness. Now, in team talks, he squeezed the lemon to show players that no matter how tired you are, you can still give a bit more. You can still give, no matter how much you squeeze the lemon drink, I will still squeeze am again. One drop will still fall out. To let you know, say you can still offer more. Yes, after all, the pill. Now, he brought giant dominoes to training to demonstrate how one mistake can trigger total collapse. And now, Arsenal have even hired throwing specialist Thomas Gronemark to weaponize marginal gains in the Premier League title. Arteta is always looking for ways to improve in team. And honestly, would you blame me? Because me, I don't really blame him. Baba, they do in job 100. Yeah, so, but I mean, they inspire the boys everywhere good. Now, breaking news, per Mertesacker don't announce, say at the end of the season, he would like to step down. Yeah, so the news, he come with mixed feeling. Don't be saying I asked the sack him. They say he want to try something new. Maybe he want to enter coaching. You get, probably. I would see me at the think. Because per Mertesacker called the talk, say, well, Arsenal is and will always be a very special club to me. So this was a difficult decision. I'm thankful for the trust the club puts in me when transitioning from a first-team player directly into the role as head of academy. Now it is time for me to move on and explore something new and push myself even further. I remain focused on finishing the season strongly, continuing to nurture and develop our young talents, and support a seamless transition until my very last day with the club. So many people don't poster. You get Chris Whitley poster, Fabrizio Romano, Charles Watts, even Richard Garlic. When they talk about Mertesacker, Garlic now be our CEO, will replace Vinay Van Kasham. So he said we support Mertesacker's decision to pursue something new, but we will be incredibly sad, yes, to see him leave at the end of the season. He understands what Arsenal stands for, and this has been a constant in his leadership, inspiring our academy coaches, staff, and young players in an Arsenal way, and giving so much an opportunity to develop and shine. We are happy that Per remains in role until the end of the season while we focus on our succession plan. We continue in our pursuit of winning major trophies with a sustained focus and investments in our academy. When I see this thing, I was like, this was what we expected the Gasper to do. Even if you wan leave, you get your own goal, you get your own kini wey you wan go do, still stay with us till the ending to make the club get a successor easily. But he didn't do that for reasons best known to him. You get, so at the end of the day, that one don pass, so we gats move forward. All right, so today happens to be the birthday of Chief Mrs. Adenike Oyabambi Iyawo Otunba. So today, madam, is your birthday. So we wish you all the best things life has to offer. Success and prosperity will be your portion in Jesus' name and inshallah. Amen. So enjoy the remainder of your day. I know you had a blast. I trust Otunba. All right, away from that. So I want to see wetin Pep Guardiola dey talk for im press conference wey dem dey ask am say shey im dey under pressure to actually win the league, because when you see wetin dey happen now for Manchester City, because last season they no win anything, they ask am, is there pressure on you? He say omo, pressure dey o. Say pressure dey. There's a lot of pressure on us. Pep Guardiola looks at the importance of Man City's Carabao Cup semi-final against Newcastle and was quick to remind the success in the Community Shield last season. Because when they can say last season you didn't win anything, he said I won a trophy. They say which trophy be that? They say Carabao Cup, Community Shield. I won Community Shield. For my mind, I said, no be this same community. I can't wait whether the questionnaire or the interview I go push back. You know, push back. I say, no be this same trophy. Arteta saying we win the blast. Arteta they laugh. Arteta say you win Community Shield. Is Community Shield the trophy? Where they laugh am up and down. But Pep is saying it. Nobody push back. Everybody just quiet. Okay, I can't even wait whether after that journalist talk, whether the next journalist go talk, go come do follow up, because it happen. Sometimes your brain fit no go say make I do follow up. Another person wey im brain dey there wey dey wait to ask question go come do the follow up. Nobody do follow up. So Community Shield now is a trophy. Wow, I never knew. How many Arteta don win? Even like 2, abi how many set? All right, away from that. So when Rooney brother John, wey dey say play with Thierry Henry for New York Red Bulls, now come dey hear say be the coach of Macclesfield wey beat Crystal Palace comot for the cup, wey be the Giants killers. I come see where Rooney dey interview am after the game, say how far na this one dey don scatter Crystal Palace, wetin dey sup? Padi me, Eje, how far na? So it just dey really funny. Say brother do get, at least they get more success while Rooney dey don pursue and Rooney no do coaching again. Rooney don go resign again. That's very sad. Now another sad thing that happened today, they don fire Xabi Alonso. I don't know how many of una dey aware. They don sack am after that yesterday match, the cup final wey dem lose to Barcelona for Saudi Arabia. Florentino no really dey play now. Just play am fine square root, no time. So breaking, Xabi Alonso made this. In fact, we dey get conflicting news. Some say Xabi Alonso now make the decision to leave because they know they respect am for the dressing room for Real Madrid, and say the club no dey really give am their backing, so you no really dey happy. That's why I say he wan comot to get. Because they get another report from Mario Cortegana. This one I believe in own report because him na Real Madrid in the focus on, in the specialize on only Real Madrid news in the produce and in the work for the Athletic. You get, so na specialized bits e be for am. So him come dey talk say tensions have been building between Xabi Alonso and sections of the Real Madrid squad, extending beyond just Vinicius Junior. Several first-team players were said to be unhappy with Alonso's management style and the major changes he introduced since arriving last summer. Even if I no believe this one, e get wetin happen for that match yesterday we watch am. After Barca win, Alonso come dey call Mbappe and the team say, make I come give Barca guard of honor. You get, make I come. Omo, Mbappe raise hand and say, coach, wetin dey talk na? Ogbeni come this side jare. He raise hand, dey follow coach and say, we no dey do that one o, that one wey dey talk, we no dey do. Come this side, come this side. I watch the video, I was like, what is this? Omo, as Mbappe just talk am, everybody follow Mbappe. Mbappe just turn, dey go, everybody. Nobody listen to coach. Coach no get choice. Coach can go come and the worker they come and say, come on, that was embarrassing. So maybe now waiting come inform the coach say, more, I don't lose this thing, because it shows lack of respect, no fear for authority. Come on, it quite sad. But as of now Arbeloa gets 9 in charge of Real Madrid now. So Alvaro Arbeloa is the new head coach of Real Madrid. Now be the Abilias now the coach in Castilla, Real Madrid Castilla, the team B. So neither repress Alonso. Maybe now interim or full-time role, I don't really know. But more just watch and see IB. Even the Athletic can't drop statements on the matter. Say Alonso don't leave. Madrid don't announce a new person. Say below Abude there. It gets. So then when they go back, say Alonso. You know, say before they don't want to sack the guy. They feel say okay, but they still leave am. But after what you don't saw, Kai the board believe say no. Alonso, not only Alonso, they go blame. You get say they are happy with the team's image and the recent results. Well, the Coco be say they don't fire my guy. He don't find a square root, so that one don't pass. Now, according to this report, say Gabriel Magalhaes don't score 20 goals and say Pedro Neto have scored 20 goals all time for EPL. I was like, this Pedro Neto the hill that time. So you know they score goals, you run up and down. Anyway, that one saved it. All right, before we go further, I'm going to quickly bring you a message from one of our sponsors in Madame Adobe, who has this Turkish furniture for sale. You get. So if you're interested in original brand new Turkish furniture that has been brought into the country, then get 2 3-seater chairs, 2 single-seater chairs, 3 side tables, 1 center table, big size dining table, 6 pieces of dining seats, 6 throw pillows. So make you contact Madame Adobe on 080206 02634. Now, for the location of this furniture na Shongotedo, Aja, so na there it is. So if you're interested, get in touch with that ASAP. Now, away from that also, Moko bring you another message from Dove and Dove International Academy in Ikenne, Ogun State, Nigeria. So they are bringing you the first private professional football academy in Nigeria and West Africa, combining academics and sports. Now, some of the benefits where you go enjoy if you carry your pikin come here. Now, say then get like trials and placements for academy reading for United Kingdom and Europe, as well as college and university scholarships. So your world will get exposure to local and international media. Now admission is ongoing to GSS1 to 3, SS1 to 3. If you're interested, make you contact +234 8066 866665 and +234 8156 2825 62 to get started. So their number there at the bottom of the screen. So make you no waste time if you're interested in their school. All right, away from that now. So the country asked Madueke, say like who be the 3 toughest opponents you don't play against? This is Van Dijk, Magalhaes, and Saliba. So Magalhaes and Saliba now before you join Arsenal, only for Chelsea. Say you don't play against them. I you know say there be no nonsense. Get no play. Get so that one safety. Now they say all-time Bukayo Saka record. No Arsenal player have recorded more Premier League goals 57, then assist 48, then goal involvement 105, chances created 388, big chances created 72, or shots 481 than Bukayo Saka since his debut in 2019. While it's an impressive record, but I still believe this season Saka never did inform. Saka needs to do more. Now, pay attention to what they right there. Chances created 388. Now, big chances created 72. You see, when at the ring bell, they explain to you the difference between chances and big chances. Chances no be big chance wey go lead to goal. Now, all those square play wey they throw inside the box, wey be say just put am there, make anybody shall go touch am. Na be chances. Big chances now on the platter of gold wey create for person say this one sure land na goal. E can't depend on you whether you go score am abi you no go score am. Na be big chances. So na those big chances we dey beg for. Say make una double on our efforts. Create am for us. Make we dey burst net. That's just the way me I see it. Now, Moko also quickly bring you a message from Mobiles Associates and Co Limited. They are into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They are also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwa Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end. Like come your way later tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Good night and a happy amounts. All right, guys. Ciao.